Dear students, welcome to the tutorial on how to work with the new Smart School which we have recently launched. So to access this, what you need to do is you can go to our college website, you can search for My College, and from here you can go to login. Once the website is loaded, you can go to login, and from there you can select Smart School. So once you go to Smart School, in here you will be able to access the sign in button here or here. Just click on it, and through this you will be entering your email ID and password. So all the students, you need to reset your password first. So to do this, you can click on forget password, the link which is given here, and you can enter the email ID which you have given at the time of registration. So in here I have given my college email ID for the testing purpose. So you can give your personal email or whichever email you have given at the time of application. If you have any query regarding the email, you can check with our technical team, they will guide you out. So in here, once you enter the email ID and you can click on the reset password link, so automatically an email will be sent to your email. So I have already logged in my account here. So if I go to my account, you can see there is an email received. Once you open the email, in here you will be able to see the link to reset the password. So what you need to do is you need to click on the change password button. Then you can enter the new password which you want to create. So I am giving the new password and then confirm the password once again, and then click on reset password. So your account is being now reset and logged in. So in case if it doesn't logged in, you can do is you can just click on sign in again, and then enter the email, the username and the new password which you have just now set, and log in. So it will take you to the your account. So in here, if you are having multiple, you have done multiple courses in my college, you will be having multiple profile. So you can easily switch them between the switch profile button given on the top here. So you can see C3 graphics, C3 in web development or Arabic language. Which course you want to check, you can switch them easily. So right now I am going to the certificate in graphics and digital design course, and you can see here this is my profile page where you will be able to see your roll number, your faculty, the course name, the batch name, your contact information and other details. Also, if you check on the left side, there will be a menu where all the features or all the components we have added in one place. Previously, we had two, one is Smart School and Web Portal for fees and academics separately, but now we have combined them together in one platform. So let us say in here, if you are planning to join a new course after your existing course is over, or in between you want to join for another course, what you can do is you can click on new admission. Once you click on new admission, in here click on the create admission button, and then your previous details will be automatically displayed. If you want to change any info, you can do that, not a problem. Click next button, enter the basic information, whatever the address information you want to give, you can put, for example, ABC or GABC, and then Maldives. So I'm just giving the detail here, same address. If you want to give a permanent address or different one, you can specify the mobile number, you can give the email ID and other information, the name of the parent, all those details you can enter here. The contact number of the parent is also important, that also you need to mention. And after you fill this detail, click on next. Then you can choose the campus, which campus you want to prefer. So all the active campus will be displayed here. So I'm selecting Malay campus now, and then the faculty which you need to select the course for. So I'm selecting the faculty, and in here I'm going to apply for, let's say, bachelor's in software engineering or master's in graphics and multimedia. Okay, so depending on the course, it will show you the duration of the course, whether it's a 12 months, 36 months or 24 months. Which intake you want to apply for, select the intake, which modality you prefer to do the course, and then click on next. Then you need to upload the documents and photos here. So photo should be as a JPG picture only. You need to make sure it's a JPG picture you are going to upload here. So I am going to select an image, just any image is fine for now. And then the ID card copy should be in the PDF format. And then the other certificate documents also you need to upload here. And then whether your funding is done by self or parent or by the organization. Then click next. In here, how do you came to know about, whether through Facebook, through website, or through other students? If other students, you can enter the student name. So this will be using to give as a referral part. So right now I'm clicking the Facebook. Then the declaration, you can click on I declare, approve all those things, and then click on the submit. So once you click on the submit, your application is being done for this particular master's program. Your admission number is given here. Now you can do is you can click on back home, and in here, as I mentioned, in the left side there are a lot of menus option. So if you click on the admission tracker, you will be able to see all the admission or application from this particular national ID card number. So these were the previous application I have created. So this is the new application which I have just selected, that is for the masters and graphics. So as we, or from the college side, it is being processed. For example, right now it is showing inquiry stage. As we process the application, you will be able to see all the status one by one here. For example, if I click on the previous one course, you can see here it was in the confirm stage, then register verifies that. After the verification is done, eligibility letter is sent, the date and all the information. So when you log into this application, you will be able to track the status of your application. So you don't need to call college and check what is the status, but directly from here itself you will be able to track all the information regarding your application, okay, until the confirmation stage. Now the second one is admission, create new admission, the same thing just now we did. And third one, so let us say once you have been enrolled into the particular course, you will be added to different modules. So those modules will be displayed under the classroom. So in here, for example, as this is a test account, I have created two classrooms, two modules. So when you click on here, you can see the classroom code will be the, module name will be the, when you click on it, it will give you the details like what is the start date, end date, exam date, what is the lecturer details, the teaching mode, the class days, all those informations will be displayed here. Okay, so each class details like a timetable you will be able to see here. Then the next module is very important one, that is the request module. So for example, if you are a student, you want to apply for free degree, or you want to request for convocation, or you want to request for different documents. So all the requests which comes under this profile will be displayed here. So you can see here I have generated different documents like fee structure, unofficial transcript, redo the module, and the status of each will be displayed here. So each request will have a specific number, that is very important to track it out. So let's create a request for you now. Click on the plus, and then in here you can select the request type. So letters, if you want to select the different type of letters like free degree, course pursuing, timetable, all those informations you can select from here which type you want. Just select on it and click on create. So now the new request is created for the free degree placement letter, and you can see the stage is in draft. So once we process it, we will move it to submit, and then later after it is been processed, you can see the final state will be changed. Okay, similarly you can request for other, for example, if you want to request for redo module or resit exam, all those requests can be made here. Similarly, we can also request for, let's say, graduation. You can apply for convocation, you can apply for gown, you can apply for early certification. All those documents will be available here. So if you want to make a request for exam, you can select exam and then select redo, and in here you can select the module which you want to apply for redo. Same thing you can do for resit exam, remarking and other things. So same way the request will be created. Now going to the next module is the attendance. In here we will make sure that from this particular application onwards all the lecturers will be marking attendance directly through this. So you will be able to keep the track of the attendance on daily basis. So for example, total number of classes, and if you are present for 2 classes, you will be able to see the module wise attendance details. And then the next one is payment. Obviously you need to pay the course fee monthly wise. So under the fee payment there are three tabs mainly. One is paid amount, which is the amount you have paid so far, the due amount which is pending, and upcoming month amount. So you can click on the due, you can see the amount is showing here, the course fee, the fines, and all the informations will be displayed here. So let us say if you're going to do a payment, click on that particular invoice and click on pay now. Select bank transfer and click on next. You can also do the Uridu M-FISA one. So right now I am doing the bank transfer. Click on bank transfer, click next, and then select the bank through which you want to do the payment. So if it is BML or MIB, you can select it here. Enter the transaction digit. So it will be a 16-digit code which you need to enter here for the BML case, or if it is MIB, then it will be only having a reference number is of 7 digit. So what you can do is you can put your national ID card number first, and then without any space you can enter the 9-digit reference number. This is only for MIB. If it is for BML, then you can enter the Blaze reference number directly, that is a 16-digit code. Okay, then the name of the student you can specify here, and then the date on which you have made the payment, the amount how much you have done. So by default it will show you the invoice amount here, and then click on pay. So once that part is done, this will be coming under in processing stage. After accounts verify this, they will update, and after that this will be changed to the paid category. So this invoice will be moved to the paid category. Okay, so this is how you do the monthly fee or any other payments. Then next one is the exam registration. So let us say you may have added to multiple modules. So in here you can see these are the previous modules which have been added, and once the exam department create the exam, in here you will be able to see all those ones. So for example, this module I am going to register for the exam. You just need to click on register, select the exam center. So in here it will be MI College Center. Exam type will be the. Also there is one more thing, when you select the exam center you may need to choose the campus where you want to do the exam. So right now in our active campus you can choose, if you are in any of these islands, you can do the exam directly here. Select the exam type, whether it's a face-to-face or online exam, and then click on save. So your saved registered exam details will be displayed in the registered tab. After it has been approved, you will be able to see here, and then you can acknowledge, or if it's been rejected, all those rejected ones will be displayed here. Then the last one is the exam result. So in here, once your results are published, you will be able to see the marks here. So right now I have not generated the mark for the student, as this is a test account. You will be able to see the semester and year wise, the total module attendance, the name of the module, and the grade will be displayed here. Okay, so this is the total guide, or one in all portal for you, which will have all the details. Like starting, you can create a new application, you can create for request, you can view your attendance, you can make the payment, exam registration, and you can view the result. Okay, so in this means there is another contact. In case if you wish to have put any communicate with the college, you can directly mail from here to. You just need to put the information or message in subject and send it out. Okay, so let us say I'm repeating once again, in case if you forget your password, if you don't know the password, you can directly go to sign in, and all the students who are going to use this for first time, even though you have reset your password, you need to click on forget password and then enter your email ID. Once you enter the email ID and click on reset password, it will send a link to your email. So once the email is received, you can just click on it and then reset the password. Just click on change password and you can enter the password. So this is how you will be able to log into your account. Okay, so I hope this is clear for you. And also with this we will be sharing one contact, our technical team contact number also will be shared. So through that you can log in, or means you can contact us anytime if you have any queries and clarifications. Okay, thank you. Signing off.